Good morning, we are still in Yosemite, and this morning we're going to check out Bridalveil Falls. The weather today is going to be kind of cloudy, intermittent sun, but it's going to start raining like around noon. So we're going to get as much done this morning as we can.
So we checked out the tunnel view and we were going to go up to Glacier Point, but it's still closed. It probably won't open until mid-May or something like that, the road to Glacier Point. We are planning on our last day here trying to hike Half Dome. And so we're kind of holding out on doing anything too physical because that's going to be long. I mean, it's like 18 miles and it's long, tons of elevation change. We went to lunch, and then we realized that there's only like a 2.5 mile trail right at Tunnel View, and it's called Inspiration Point. And so it just started to drizzle a little bit, but we have our raincoats, and we're just gonna do the hike up to Inspiration Point.
We made it! Yosemite is just absolutely gorgeous. This was a pretty nice hike. The valley's even pretty with the rain clouds working their way in. Alright guys, we got a decent amount of stuff in today before the rain hit us. We're going to try and get off of here before these dark clouds start rolling in. So I guess we're going to call it a night. We're going to head back to the RV, make some chicken soup, and I guess plan for maybe doing some climbing tomorrow. So thanks for living life with us today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In our usual fashion, we are not getting off the mountain fast enough, and it's actually hailing. So, just a normal day in our hiking life.